Hi everybody, Nancy Atkins here at Atkins Family Law. So this is a quick ditty about property distribution and the way that things work under a Florida divorce case. Property is 50-50, right? What's you give up half, you get half. And the jumping off point, God, I'm going to date myself with this Eddie Murphy movie about I want half. And guess what? It's still true today. So whether you watched Eddie Murphy or you're watching somebody else as your comedian of choice, it's still 50-50 in Florida divorce law. So when you have some property and you've got to separate it out, there are ways that you can get around the 50-50, right? So that's like I said, that's why you want to have a competent family law attorney working with you on a property settlement. And the other thing too is when you have property involved in your case, I just had this great conversation with a financial professional and he brought up a great point, and that is you've got to be working with your accountant and you've got to be working with your financial professional, because if property's at issue in your Florida divorce, those are the first two people I would be talking to, in addition to your family law attorney, is what do I have? What does it look like? Where is everything at? And how am I going to protect myself through this process? Because it is still 50-50. So there's ways for you to shore up and how to protect yourself with the 50-50 if you're the one with the property, and then vice versa. If you don't have the property and you want some property, then maybe we're having a conversation about some alimony or something like that. So there's a lot of different ways to get it done. But the most important thing is you guys know that it is still 50-50 in Florida, last time I checked, for property distribution. So if there's a car, if there's a bank account, if there's a pension, a retirement fund, a house, a boat, whatever it is 50-50. So know that when you go into it, talk with your financial professionals and your trusted advisors in terms of your property distribution, and make sure that you've got a solid argument, or that you're able to, keep things separate. That would be the other piece. And then you can make it maybe non-marital. But that's a conversation you got to have with the attorney. So call your favorite family law attorney and make sure that you're shored up with the property distribution in your Florida divorce, because it is 50-50. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Hope y'all are doing well.